Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your travel plans with StudentUniverse detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your travel plans with StudentUniverse, begin by visiting the official StudentUniverse website. In the top right corner, locate and click the sign in button if you already have an account. If you're new to StudentUniverse, select the join or sign up option to create a new account. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you have completed the registration, check your email for a verification message and follow the instructions to activate your account. After signing in, use the search bar on the home page to enter your desired destination and travel dates. Select the type of travel you prefer, whether it's flights, hotels, or vacation packages. Browse through the options presented, keeping an eye out for deals specifically designed for students. Once you have chosen your preferred travel option, click on it to view further details, including pricing and any restrictions. On the next screen, you'll see an option to add extras like travel insurance or additional baggage. Review all your selections carefully before proceeding to the checkout page. Enter your personal details, including contact information and any required identification for student verification. Select your preferred payment method, ensuring that you input all necessary payment information accurately. Before finalizing your booking, double-check all details to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click the Confirm Booking button to complete your travel reservation. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after, summarizing your travel plans and providing important details. Keep this email handy as it will contain your itinerary and any necessary travel-related instructions. If you need to make changes to your plans, return to the website and log into your account. Navigate to the My Trips section to access and modify your bookings as needed. By following these steps, your travel plans with StudentUniverse will be successfully activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.